Welcome back to my creative video. In today's video, I will reveal to you how I generate free electricity. I have created electric power from steam. To generate electricity, I first have to build a generator. I will use one PVC pipe to make the motor housing. Next, I used a transparent sheet of mica to make a cover for the motor housing. I will cut that mica sheet to get two lenses with the diameter of the plastic tube. Next, cut a round hole in the middle of the two round pieces of mica with a diameter of 20 mm. After a while, I had two pieces of mica to my liking. Next, I used a ruler and pen to mark the two ends of the plastic tube. Note, take marks every 10 mm. Then use a saw to cut the marked points. Once the two ends of the pipe have been cut, we will use pliers to bend the sawed sections at right angles. Note, we will have to arrange the cut pieces staggered. Next, I will use a diameter copper wire coil. I use this copper wire to wrap around the plastic pipe. We will wrap the wire alternately between the teeth at both ends of the plastic tube. We go through each slit over and over again. Be patient with the work you are doing. After a short time, I completed the copper coil. This is the stator part of the generator motor. In the next step, I will install two ball bearings into two mica caps. We will put the ball bearing into the round hole on the mica. I use special glue to attach a piece of mica to one end of the stator coil. Continue using special glue to reinforce it. I used one long nut and two bolts to make the shaft for the motor. I will screw the bolt into one end of the nut. Then I put the remaining mica cap on the nut and tightened it with a bolt. I used electrical tape to wrap a layer around the nut shaft to create insulation. The nut I am working on is the rotor shaft of the generator. Next, I will create a magnetic field for the rotor shaft by attaching a magnet to that shaft. I will attach 4 magnets to it, but will attach them in a staggered manner. Next, we will attach the made rotor shaft to the stator coil and use special glue to fasten it. Next, I will make the fan blades for the engine. I use a big plastic cap to make the bearing. I will drill many round holes in it. Then I added a small plastic cap inside the large plastic cap. Next step, I use plastic spoons to make wings. I will put the spoons into the small holes drilled in the plastic lid. Next, I will use special glue to firmly attach the spoons to the plastic lids. I will mount the fan blade onto the motor shaft and tighten it with bolts. Now I will make a base for the motor. I used 3 equal pieces of plastic and used special glue to attach it to the head of the motor. Next, I will mount it on a wooden board to give it a sturdy base. Next, I will use one end of the converter to connect to the 2 ends of the copper wire. I used a soldering iron to solder the connection points. Use tape to wrap around the connection point. So I have finished my generator, now I will test it. I will prepare a boiler for my generator, put water in the boiler and cover it. We will make a simple wood stove. Next, I will put wood in the stove and make fire for the stove. To make it easier to make fire, I use dry alcohol to start the fire.
Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much.
When I light a fire, I will add wood to the stove to make the fire strongest. Next, I will put the boiler on the stove. Continue to place the engine near the boiler and adjust the steam nozzle to the propeller. After a while, the boiler was hot and started blowing steam to make the fan rotate. When the motor rotates evenly, I will use a transformer circuit connected to the motor. Every syllable carries a promise, drawing you into a realm where dreams and reality intertwine. I used an extra light bulb to test the performance of the machine. My machine works extremely strong. You and I have succeeded with this idea.
If you like this idea, don't forget to give me a like and hit the notification bell to see the latest videos. Thank you very much.